Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. In the previous video we had discussed about IDs and classes and how we can use them in CSS. So in this video we will see what are divs and how we can use divs in our web pages and how we can apply styling using divs in our web pages. So if you want to see any vlogs regarding the videos I upload, so for that kindly check my website, the link will be in the description. And you will also find the source codes regarding the videos I upload. So let's jump to our core editor. Well, div is basically called division. Div is a short form of division. So we use div to divide the page in multiple sections. So if you want to make 3 or 4 or multiple sections of your page, for that we use div. So div divides the pages in many sections and then we apply styling on that div. So the style will apply on that section of our page. So to use the div tag, we use div right this. So this is the tag for making a division or a section. So I will give an ID to our div. Keep in mind that while giving IDs and classes name, you can't put a space between them. So you must have to separate the words using hyphen or dash. So as this is an ID, we use hash plus section. So suppose I want to change the color of my text, so I will write color. So you can see that the text inside the division has blue color now. So the division or div tag only affect the things which are inside it. We can also apply styling on our div. The one main benefit of div is that we can apply style in everything inside the div, and we can also apply styling on our div. So if you want to change the height or width or anything of our div, we can do it very easily. So I will let me just give a background color to our div, so you can see our div, the starting point and ending point of our div. So you can see that this is our section, the first section we made. So what if you want to change the width of the div to half, or we can want to change the height? So we can do it very easily in CSS. So just write width if you want to change the width, and write 50% as I want the half of the original width, and suppose we want the height 100 pixels. So we can change the height and width in pixels also. It's on our requirement. So you can see that our div's height and width had changed. So this is how we make sections using div in our pages. So I have a little challenge for you. So apply a div on these 5 tags, paragraph tags, or any code you have with you, and make the background color sky blue or aqua and change the text color to green. So I hope you had done that. So let me show you how you can do that. Just remove the IDs and classes. I had given the ID of second section as we had one section already. So we change the background color to aqua and the text color to green. So let me see. So you can see that we have applied another div and make another section on our page. So this is all for this video. So if you want to check the blog regarding this video, so kindly check my website, and if you have any suggestions, so kindly comment below. Thank you.